If you want to be wealthy and happy for the rest of your life, there's a crucial lesson to learn. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Success doesn't come from tricks or demands. It comes from performance, which originates from within, not from external circumstances. The best approach to life isn't about unleashing your darker side and letting it manifest in aggression or nastiness. That won't lead to success. Instead, it's essential to harness the energy and power that resides within that darker side and channel it productively. Take a moment to appreciate the greatness of your life. Think about it. No one had the luxury of a hot shower until just a few decades ago. When you stand under that hot water, realize that it's a simple pleasure that many people you admire from history never experienced. We often overlook how fortunate we are, living in a time where modern conveniences and comforts are so abundant. Consider the world we live in today. Out of the 100 billion people who have ever existed, we are in the top percentile in terms of luck. Our lives, our access to food, the fact that our children survive infancy, and the wonders of modern medicine. We live like kings compared to the past, yet despite these improvements, life feels subjectively worse for many. This is because human desires are mimetic. We constantly compare ourselves to others. Our happiness, then, can be seen as the quality of our life minus our envy. To truly win at life, adopt a winning attitude. The first step in that process is developing positive self-awareness. Recognize the incredible life you have and work on becoming the best version of yourself.